Welcome to A3 Projects. I am Ashok, civil engineer.
In A3 Project channel, I will upload at least 2 to 3 videos per week. So this main concept is to get the benefits to contractors, non-technical students, engineers, supervisors, and skilled workers. So during the construction, so what are the standard steps to follow and what are the precautions should take?
In the A3 Project channel, I am sharing my experience to you people, those who wants to get more benefits in a quick time, and those who wants to avoid the mistakes during the constructions or site work or office. So in this video, I'm divided into following subcategories. So in each category, I will upload the chapter wise with respect to that subjects in the future videos. Okay, first one, how to prepare building plans or drawings by using AutoCAD, SketchUp or Revit. So the plans should be drawn as per standards and should be equal to standards as per NBC, okay, as per building bylaw. And next one is material estimations and bill preparations by using Microsoft Excel. So material estimation and bill preparation will helpful to who wants to do job in the quantity surveying field. So that who wants to job in office, so this is they should know. And next is rate analysis of items. Rate analysis is very important subjects to prepare the budget of project. Rate analysis is very important. And next one is schedule preparations. Without schedule, we cannot complete the project within the bond period. So schedule is also very important. So make sure the schedule should be in the form of fast and accuracy and safe. Okay, keep mind it. And next one is steps involved in the building constructions and execution tricks. So if you know what are the steps involved in building construction, then you can prepare the schedule preparation easily. So this is also very important subjects. So okay, in this subjects you will get to know the knowledge of site engineers point to point, first to last. Okay, and materials, construction tools required for different stages of works. This is the biggest subject. So if you know the materials names and construction tools required for it, so then you can estimate the materials and you can know what are the tools. So to finish the jobs, materials and construction tools are very important. And next one is analysis and design concepts of arts buildings. In the subjects, I will give basic knowledge of designs. So without basic knowledge of designs, in the site so many mistakes will happen that will is to collapse the buildings chances. So I hope you should minimum know the basic knowledge of design concepts. Okay, and office work and site work. So I will also prepare videos. So what are the qualities should have to do job in office work and site work. Okay, you'll get to know, and this is very important. So who wants to do in office, so they should have minimum knowledge I'm telling to freshers. So I hope this will helpful to you. So keep watch my videos without miss. Okay. And next one is auto level tutelate. So this is a very important. So this is a without using of tutelate or auto level we cannot do the major projects.